Handmade. Ito po yung guest ko. Guest of honor. Hey, how are you?
I'm good.
You're good? You look like not good.
So tired.
How was the breakfast?
It's really good.
Really?
Yummy.
Yummy.
Yeah.
How many cup of coffee you drink?
This is my second cup.
Really? Why? When you drink too much, it's not good, yeah.
I used to.
Why?
Coffee is my
Are you a
coffee lover.
coffee lover? Oh, it looks like your breakfast is amazing.
Yeah, I'm done.
Look at
I have egg,
egg.
boiled egg.
What you have?
omelette,
And
sausage.
what else?
That's it.
What happened to your plate? It looks like garbage.
I said I'm done.
You're done. Sorry.
Baliw.
So, ayun na nga siya. Na-interview ko na nga po siya. Yan po yung wall. Ayoko ipakita ang kamay ko kasi yung kamay ko natanggal na yung mga cutics. So, we're here under the cave. Just sitting. That's all. Thank you.